Where to find the best sites. Snakes, spiders and insects. Hi. So you want to know more about list of rainforest insects? These are the best resources we could find on the web. The most helpful site to learn about list of rainforest insects is www.buzzle.com. Specifically the page titled Types of Insects in the Amazon Rainforest, Buzzle. This is the link. Try also our second rank site listofelverything.wordpress.com, especially the page list of insects, insects list of things, list of. This is the link. Last but not least, try our third rank site listofelverything.wordpress.com. The web page list of forest animals list of. Here's the link.